obviously this hasn't been the easiest season for the team. What kind of release was tonight, being able to go out and perform the way you did against the playoff team?
It was just a great victory for our team. We came in, not the best record, not the best season that we want to have, but just to end the season on a good note and just carry it over to the next season.
I know you thought you were getting your first start last week. Now it finally comes. You came into the league. A lot of people looked at you as a receiver, including the team that you're playing for now. What do you think you proved tonight by going out there and winning a game as a quarterback?
Just showing that I can take control of the ball game. Give my team, give them confidence, let them have confidence in me, and just go out there and play my best game.
What do you think about right now Leslie making his case as being the full-time head coach of this team going forward?
Coach Leslie, he's a great coach. He rallied this team up after everything that was going on during the middle of the season. So he came in, rallied the team up, and he just told us to believe. So we just came out here and believed that we could win the game, and we pulled it off on a great team, great Eagles team.
Great. Thanks, Joe.